Say thank you.
Thank you.
We opened a present last night because May wanted to wear a dress. So we gave her this one that you sent. And she loves it. Don't you, May?
Yeah. And these special.
Okay, which one do you like next? Show Nanny.
This one.
What about the red one?
This one.
What about the red one?
Ah,
Oopsie daisy. Oopsie daisy. Just showing. This pretty dress. Okay, I got it. Okay. What about the red one?
I like this too.
Yeah. When are you going to wear that one? Maybe tomorrow?
At the haircut.
At the haircut. You had a haircut yesterday. Didn't you? For Christmas. Okay, say see you later.
See you later.
What'd you just do? Gingerbread man?
Yeah.
And you have 2 bells? Good girl.
Whoops.
Okay, see you later.
I have
Push them in on top, just
lots
like
of
this.
bells.
Lots of bells. Which is your favorite?
They can.
To push them in.
There's no.
Not too much,
the
not too much.
gingerbread man.
Good girl.
Not too much.